There you go. Welcome into Riding with Cash. This is our new rad power. And we're doing a double on a little battery bicycle. Having a lot of fun. I'm not even throttling this. I'm just making it sail without paddling on battery juice. Today the first time I used the entire battery. It's only down to 2 points from 5, which is cool. Alright, let's see if I can climb this. Does it have the juice? It actually did. Thank you. Thank you. Not bad, eh? On your left. Whee! On your left. All right. Hey, Baju. Whee! Oh, I had this bike for almost a year. It's the first time I'm really using it to its full capacity. Can you believe this? Woohoo! On your left. Keep moving. It's actually running purely on battery juice all the way down with a double. So basically about 300 pounds on it, give or take. Woo! Not bad, eh? Wow, that's pretty cool. We're at Montrose. We made this far just on battery juice, and I still have 2 points left. I mean, I had 3 points in the beginning when he went down, but he walked it down. It definitely does have the range of 50 miles, which is really nice. All right, so can we? Everybody has this big battery. On your left, on your left. Watch it, on your left. On your left. All right, on your left, coming through. On your left. All right, not bad, eh? Coming through. Coming through on your left. Oh wow, we made past Montrose. That's pretty good. Then Wilson and Lawrence. Oh wow. Not bad, not bad. I'm not even throttling at the full speed. It's just a little bit of push and then that's it. No need to rush it. Still doing 5 to 10 miles an hour. Purely battery juice. And it's not going down. It has still 2 points, which means it has the range. True test. All right, we can do that too. Uncle. Baju, baju. Okay, दारू पिया बहुत. Okay, almost there, almost there. We are track and field. Oh, this is better than a bus ride, man. Oh, we made it, we made it. That's Wilson. Oi. Not bad, not bad. One more junction and then we are Lawrence. We're good to go. All right, move it, move it, move it. There we go. Thank you. Not bad. That was funny. They all stopped for us. Auntie. That's what you do when you get tired. That's actually pretty cool. Baju, baju, baju. Oi. That was too sharp a turn. Okay. Wait, 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 wait. My turn. All right. Almost, almost. He got it. Oh. Almost home. Oh, there was couple of sharp turns there. I need more air in the back tire, for sure. You almost made it, eh? Not bad. Hey, Baju. Yeah, home in 10 minutes, eh?